Alright, gentlemen, here's a cold start on the 2000 C3500. Truck's been sitting approximately 7.5 hours. Air temperature outside is 25 degrees according to Weather Channel. Let's see how much he shake, rattles, and rolls this morning. Let the plug cycle here. And that's what I deal with on a daily basis. Tons of smoke. Just to get an idea how much it's shaking, I'll set the phone down. Anyways, this will go on for anywhere from, starting to catch on a couple cylinders there. This will go on anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. And as you can see, I live in an apartment complex, and I don't really want to piss off my neighbors. Fortunately, nobody's said anything yet, but runtime here has been approximately 1 minute so far. Still trying to clear up. Still hasn't. Just don't think this is normal. We're still smoking out everything over there. So let me know what you guys think. I gotta get ready for work, so I can't sit here for a whole 5 minutes or so it takes for this thing to clear up, but get one shot outside. Yep. Let me know what you guys think.